In this video, I will show you how to find and replace text inside a file using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. Now let's check the contents of the file. We will use a file called sample.txt. To see what's inside, type cat sample.txt. Then press Enter. Now we will replace some text in the file. To do this, we use the sed command. Here is the command, sed --i single quote s /old word /new word /g single quote sample.txt. This command means find the word old word and replace it with new word in the file. The -i option makes the change directly inside the file. The G at the end means it will replace all matches in each line. Now press Enter. Let's check if the file was updated. Type cat sample.txt. Then press Enter. You will see that the old word has been replaced, and that's it. Now you know how to find and replace text in a file using commands in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.